Chemical thermodynamics. Today we are to see about the thermodynamic equilibrium, that is C. In this case, the state functions of the system do not change with the time. Explanation: for consider a gas enclosed in a cylinder fitted with a frictionless piston. The gas has definite temperature, pressure and volume T, P and V. These properties remain constant as long as a piston is motionless. Thus, the system is said to be thermodynamic equilibrium. However, the equilibrium is disturbed when the piston is moved. It is non-equilibrium state when movement of piston is stopped. The thermodynamic functions will remain constant and the system is attain a new equilibrium. Means at a stationary state there is no changes in a temperature, pressure and volume. Then the system is called as a thermodynamic equilibrium. If the piston is moved in an upward or downward direction, then that state is not a thermodynamic equilibrium. There are three types of equilibriums are discussed here. First is a thermal equilibrium, second mechanical equilibrium and third chemical equilibrium. The first is a thermal equilibrium. In this case, the equilibrium temperature of the system do not change with the time. Equilibrium temperature of the system do not change with the time, then this is called as a thermal equilibrium. That is, for example, boiling point of the water at 373.15 Kelvin in an open vessel. This boiling point of the water cannot be changed this above or below this temperature in the open vessel. Then this system is called as a thermal equilibrium. Second is a mechanical equilibrium. In this equilibrium, pressure of the system do not change with time and there is no movement of the particles of the system. Equilibrium pressure of the system do not change with the time. There is no movement of the particle of the system. Then the equilibrium is called as a mechanical equilibrium. And last one is a chemical equilibrium. In this equilibrium, the chemical composition of the system do not change with the time. Chemical composition do not change with the time. This is also called as a chemical composition of the system remains constant with the time interval. Then this is called as a chemical equilibrium. These are the three types of the equilibriums: thermal equilibrium, mechanical equilibrium and chemical equilibrium. The next important part is a process. Process means a transition from one equilibrium state to the another is called as a process. Transition of one equilibrium state to the another equilibrium state is called as a process. There are several types of the process are discussed below. First is the isothermal process, second isobaric process, third isochoric process, third adiabatic process. Next one is a reversible process and last is a irreversible process. According to these types of the process, their definitions are different, and first is a isothermal process. In this case, there is a word is separated. The iso means same and thermal means temperature. Iso means same and baric means pressure, same pressure. Isochoric, same volume. Choric means volume, therefore same volume. In adiabatic process, heat energy is constant. These are the process are described as shown below. First is the isothermal process. Isothermal process in which the temperature of the system remains constant throughout the information is called an isothermal process. Temperature of the system remains constant throughout the transformation is called as isothermal process, and in this process delta T equal to 0 and delta U equal to 0. Change in temperature is 0, therefore internal change in internal energy of the system is also 0. Second is in this case the isothermal process. Heat may be enter or leave the system in order to keep the temperature constant. For example, means if the process is exothermic, this process is exothermic, then heat is released to the surrounding. If the process is endothermic, heat will be absorbed from the surrounding, and therefore to keep the temperature becomes constant in the isothermal process. Exothermic process is present, then heat is released. Endothermic is present, heat is absorbed from the surrounding. Therefore, temperature of the system and surrounding becomes constant. Second process is isobaric process. Isobaric process, iso means same and baric means pressure. Baric means pressure. Therefore, a process in which pressure of the system remains constant or remains the same throughout the transformation is called as a isobaric process. In this process, delta P equal to 0. Next is a isochoric process. Iso means same and choric means pressure, volume. Therefore, the process in which volume is constant throughout then this is called as a isochoric process. See the definition. The process in which volume of the system remains constant throughout the change is called isochoric process. Therefore, delta P equal to 0. And last one is adiabatic process. This adiabatic process contains heat energy is constant, that is a process in which there is no exchange of heat between system and its surroundings is called as an adiabatic process. A process in which there is no exchange of heat between system and its surrounding is called as an adiabatic process. Therefore, Q equal to 0. There are four processes are discussed. First is the isothermal process. Second is isobaric process. Third is isochoric process. And fourth is a adiabatic process. Thank you.